Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super important for anyone traveling to Thailand. The biggest mistakes you should avoid from the moment you land, all the way until you fly home. Stick around because I'll also share how to do things the right way so you can enjoy Thailand to the fullest and show real respect to the Thai people and their beautiful culture. At immigration, don't joke or be careless. Let's start right at the airport, at immigration. Don't make jokes or be casual about your purpose of visit. It might sound obvious, but many tourists get too relaxed. Never joke about drugs, overstaying, or illegal work. Immigration officers take this extremely seriously. What to do instead? Be polite and straightforward. Have your documents ready, passport, visa or exemption stamp, hotel booking or address, and possibly proof of onward travel. Smile and wave slightly if they're friendly, but a simple nod is also fine. Also, don't overstay your visa. Even one day can get you fined or blacklisted in future trips. Baggage and customs respect regulations. Next, after immigration, you'll go through customs. Don't try to sneak in restricted items. Thailand is strict on drugs, weapons, certain e-cigarettes like vaping products are actually illegal to import, and high-value electronics for resale. Right way. Only bring personal use quantities. If you're not sure about something, declare it. And a small note, Thailand bans bringing Buddha images out of the country without a permit. So if you buy a large Buddha statue, keep the receipt and check the rules. Checking into hotels. Don't be disrespectful. At your hotel, don't be loud or overly demanding. Thai hospitality staff are usually very polite, but that doesn't mean they're servants. Better way, use a friendly tone, say kop kun krap ka, thank you, often. Remember, shoes off if entering private homes or traditional guest houses. And don't barge into rooms of friends without knocking. Personal space is respected. General courtesy. Don't touch heads or point feet. Now on to everyday etiquette. This is where many tourists mess up. Don't touch anyone's head, even a child's. The head is sacred in Thai culture. Don't point your feet at people, statues, or images of the Buddha. Feet are considered the lowest part of the body. Instead, sit cross-legged or with your feet behind you. If you accidentally do it, just smile and move your feet. Thais are very forgiving if you show humility. Temples. Don't dress or act carelessly. When visiting temples or religious sites, don't wear shorts above the knee, sleeveless shirts, or low-cut tops. Even if it's hot, covering up is a sign of respect. Don't climb on Buddha statues for photos or turn your back on them for selfies. That's seen as deeply disrespectful. The right way? Wear long pants or a skirt, shoulders covered. Take off your hats and shoes before entering the temple buildings. Keep voices low. Temples are places of worship, not tourist attractions. Nightlife and alcohol. Don't lose your manners. Thailand's nightlife is famous, but don't get so drunk that you lose control. Being loud, aggressive, or starting fights is seen as extremely bad behavior. Instead, have fun, but keep your cool. If you're in a bar with hostesses or lady drinks, know how the system works to avoid misunderstandings. It's normal for women to earn commissions on drinks. Always be polite if you say no thanks. Dealing with locals, don't haggle rudely. Shopping and markets are fun, but don't try to haggle aggressively like you're at war. It's okay to negotiate, but do it with a smile. Better way. Offer a counterprice politely. If they say no, smile and move on. Remember, 20 baht might be small to you, but it can be meaningful to a street vendor. Quick summary. Don't do this when you arrive in Thailand. At immigration, don't joke about visas, drugs, or work. Have documents ready and be polite. At customs, don't bring restricted items, vapes, big Buddha statues without permit, drugs, weapons. Declare if unsure. In hotels, don't be loud or treat staff poorly. Remove shoes if required. Respect private spaces. With locals, don't touch heads or point feet at people or Buddha images. Smile and apologize if you slip up. At temples, don't wear revealing clothes. Don't turn your back on or climb Buddha statues. Nightlife, don't get excessively drunk or aggressive. Be polite with staff and hostesses. Shopping, don't haggle rudely. bargain with a smile. Overall, be calm, smile often, learn a few Thai words, and show respect. It goes a long way. The importance of politeness and respect. Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with probably the most important point of all. And it's not about what you wear or where you point your feet. It's about your attitude. Thailand is called the land of smiles for a reason. Thais generally value harmony, calmness, and showing respect. As visitors, we're not just tourists, we're guests in their country. Think about it. When someone visits your home, how do you expect them to act? Probably with courtesy, right? To respect your rules, your traditions, your family? It's the same in Thailand, just on a bigger scale. So how do you show this respect? It's actually very simple. Be polite. Use a gentle voice. Smile often. Learn a few basic words in Thai like Sawasday Krap Ka for hello, or Kop Kun Krap Ka for thank you. Even if your pronunciation is bad, Thais will deeply appreciate that you tried. Respect also means not losing your temper. If something goes wrong, say your taxi driver takes a slightly longer route, or your food order isn't quite right, avoid raising your voice or showing anger. In many Western countries, being direct and loud is normal. In Thailand, that can cause a local to lose face, which is embarrassing and uncomfortable for them. A calm approach usually works better. Smile, keep things light, and problems often resolve faster. You'll see it yourself. Doors open for you. People go out of their way to help polite tourists. A little grace really pays off. Respecting Thailand's culture and religion is another big one. Don't make fun of traditions you don't understand. Don't climb on Buddha statues or treat monks like tourist props. When you walk past monks or elders, give them a little space. All of this shows that you recognize you're a guest here, and it's a privilege to be welcomed into this amazing country. Bottom line, if you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this. Be polite, keep your cool, smile a lot, and respect that you're a guest in someone else's home. Trust me, you'll have a far better trip, meet more wonderful people, and take home memories that are truly positive. And that's what travel is really all about. So there you have it, some of the biggest things not to do when you visit Thailand, and how to handle them with respect. If you follow these simple tips, you'll have a fantastic trip and win the hearts of the Thai people. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Thailand travel tips, and comment below, what's the #1 mistake you've seen tourists make? I'd love to hear your stories. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.